Shawn the bee guy here. Need to cut the grass in the bee yard. Just have a little fence around it in the backyard here. But some people are afraid that bees are going to just attack them for no reason. I cut half of it already, pardon me, without any suit. Going to show you. They're flying in and out. I don't know if you can see them on the video or not, but they're definitely in and out today. It's 70 degrees. So just take a watch. Take a look. As you can see, bees didn't bother me at all. They don't even care that I'm here. Every once in a while I might feel one bounce off you, but she's trying to get into the hive, and I just happen to be in the wrong place. They're coming and going, ignoring me, doing what bees do. Just gonna put the chain back up. A little bit later I'm gonna come out, take a look in both hives. I did have a little issue with some ants in the blue hive and the smaller hive. We're going to see what's going on with that. Hopefully they're not in the hive. I think they're just in the bottom board. I have a screen bottom board in. So close it back up and I'll see you later. Bye.